Hello crafty friends, so today I have another craft haul. It's from Tuesday morning and Aliexpress. So first off, I just got one package of mixed media cardstock since I'm getting into making art journals and stuff like that. And then I got a cutting board. Normally I cut on cardboard, but finally found a cutting board and it's only $3 and it's small for my little cuts. And then I got some stencils. They had actually this week, like I went a few days ago, and they had what's it called? They had Tim Holtz tag stencils, two of them for like $5, which is a good price for Tim Holtz, I guess. But personally, I didn't feel like spending $5 for a strip of stencils. But I got these for $2. This one has this stencil, background stencil, and then this image stencil, which I would love for art journaling. And then they had this punch holder for $4, which I thought was a good price. I was interested at one point, and I looked it online, and they're a little pricey for, not really pricey, but I didn't feel like paying for them at the moment. But then I saw this for $4, and I thought it was a good deal, so I can make my own art journals or put together my loose leaf art pages. So, and then also I got some inks. These are pigments. No, this is not a pigment. These two are pigments, and I like to use them for ink backgrounds. And this is a pretty lime, not lime green, but a light green. And then here's like a pretty lavender. It's for dye ink, so it's be good for stamping in my art journals. And then I got this photo frame. They're pretty thick. They're cardboard. Normally I get papers, but I found this and it's cardboard, so I would like to make shakers out of these. And it's only $1.50, so I thought that was a good deal. And then I got this die set. Lately they've been having some really good dies and stamp sets, but this one is the one I was interested in. I really like this die design, and then these leaves for when I make those paper embellishments. So I thought this was good. It was $4. And then I got some sequence mixes. I love making shaker cards, so I've been really collecting some sequins. And I got this pastel-ish orange and blue. Thought this was really pretty. I don't have this. Well, I'll talk about this in a minute. And then I have these, they're blue mix and they're clear. Let's see if I can open them, because that light is in the way. Yeah. Okay. I got this blue mix. They're mainly the clear kind. They're not opaque, which is good because I don't have anything like this in my collection, which I have quite a bit of sequins, but I don't have anything like this, so I'm definitely happy about purchasing this one because something I don't have. They had a pink one, like a pastel pink one, which I have, like just single colors. They had like a pastel pink mix, and it was opaque pink, but I have sequins similar to that, so I didn't bother. But yeah, this is my Tuesday morning haul. It's, oh, I forgot a little bit more. But yeah, that's about it for my last trip, actually. This was a trip before that. I got a lot of distress items. These are about $1, and I really like these inks. Tip is to spray the art page, the art journal page, and then using this, and then I really like the effect. I'll show you in a minute. And here's some distress paint. I really like those because distress is really works well with water. And here's a pink paint. So yeah, these were like $1, which is a really good price. And I went to 2 Tuesday mornings to get these, and I couldn't find much. One moment. So yeah, I actually found quite a bit, probably more than others, but I didn't find the colors I wanted. I don't really use orange and reds, but I just had to snatch them up for $1. So like I was saying, the distress stains. So here's the background that I did in an art journal. So yeah, I just sprayed it, and then with water, so it like spreads out more whenever I dab the orange and red on here. And then I had a distress dilution sprays for the purple. But yeah, and then it just spreads out very well. I of course closed it. But yeah, that's just a tip to spray the surface first. But yeah, so I got these. And that's pretty much it for the Tuesday morning. So the rest is from Aliexpress. One moment. Okay, so from Aliexpress, I got quite a bit of sequins. So first off, I got single colors. This purple, which I love because it's like a lavender purple, which I don't have. And a lot of these I got because I don't have. So I got this very light blue. And then I got this somewhat of a light orange. It's kind of darker than I would like. Like this orange is pretty light. Like a pastel orange. And then I got some white, which I have, but I don't have the iridescent white, so I really like these. And these are good sizes. These are 6 millimeters and 20 grams each. And the 6 millimeters I think are perfect for shakers, because you don't want to go bigger, which I have some bigger ones and I tend to use those less because sometimes the shakers are not that big that I'm making in the card or something like that. Alright, and here's some clear. I should have got 2 bags, but I only got 1. This is a great filler to add in any mixes. And I got this pretty yellow. I expected it to be lighter, but it's still pretty good. It's a nice color to add. And then also this not mint green, but this like a really pastel green-ish. Really like that. And this is a red. I don't have any reds, so I really like that. Oh, and this pink, which I have, but it's bigger. I have bigger sizes, so the smaller size is pretty nice. Okay, and then I got some sequin mixes. All of these, by the way, are 70 cents. So I'll try to leave a link down below. And then this one is a sequin mix. It's for $1 and some change. I expected it to be lighter. It has quite a bit of dark colors, but it's still amazing. It has different shapes, like stars, and different sizes of sequins. So it's a really nice mix, and it's quite a bit, 20 grams, for $1 and I think 25 cents. And here's a blue one, which I love. I love this blue one. It has small stars, different in hearts as well. Different shapes of circles, different types of circle sequins, and different colors. And then for my favorite, well, not my favorite, but I'm really happy about this. It's quite a big bag. 20 grams as well of iridescent stars, which I add in most of my sequin mixes because I just love these clear iridescent stars. So yeah, I'm very happy with my sequins haul. I gotta start making some more sequences. Shakers. But yeah, that's my AliExpress and Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for watching.